Classic Rock Mornings with Jackson and Susan.
8:31. Happy Friday, man. Mm-hmm. It's going to be pretty nice today. They got breezes going, like, some clouds, but it's going to be pretty nice, man. It's a little cooler, about 60 degrees today. Tomorrow, about 59, maybe a shower. Not too bad. Mm-hmm. And then it starts warming up Sunday, 71 degrees. By Tuesday, Two-Man Tuesday, my favorite place in the world, Canyon Lakes Golf Course, 81 degrees.
Yeah, see, 71's great.
Yeah, 81 is my favorite. You're a 70s person.
Yes, I am.
I'm more the 80s. Anyways, that dude, Ace Gian,
right?
Very funny dude. Go see him at Joker's
nice
Comedy.
Guy, yeah, for sure.
Really good musician, really funny stuff. You don't know what to expect when you get a guy like that in here and they're playing guitar and it's like,
is it going to be good?
Good stuff.
No, he's
very
great.
Funny.
He's fun.
Tonight, tomorrow night. Mickey Hatfield has joined us in the studio, and we're doing it's Free Plug Friday, man. We got local small businesses.
That's right.
And man, I gotta tell you, I love this business. Mickey, first of all, thanks for coming in.
Well, thank you.
Alabama, son of Alabama.
That's right.
Originally,
That's right.
Southern boy. I spent a little time there myself.
And by time, he means prison.
That's right. I did. I spent a little time in the Slammer.
That's right.
I was lived in Houston for many years, Georgia and stuff. But anyways, you got this thing, the spice seasoning, Mama Two's.
That's right.
Right? So you bought this company?
No. Mama Two's is...
So, all right, so tell me how you got involved with it.
Well, okay. To give you kind of a background on it, back in the early 80s, I was going through a hard time. And a friend of mine, I was moving out of my home, and I was still in high school, and he was like, well, just come stay with me. Well, he was actually living with his grandmother.
Okay.
And so when I went over to basically move in and met her, I noticed everybody called her Mama. Her kids called her Mama. Her grandkids called her Mama.
Yeah.
Even her friends called her Mama. And so I asked her, I said, so everybody calls you Mama. What would you like me to call you? And she said, well, baby, you can call me Mama too. So I started calling her Mama too.
Oh.
Well, anyway, to make a long story short, I spent a lot of time with her in the kitchen and stuff. And back in 2008, I had my extended family come. And they came over one night, and I made all this food basically using Mama Two's recipe. And when I asked them at the end of the meal, I said, so did you guys, did you guys recognize the flavors? And they're like, well, what do you mean? I said, well, that's Mama Two's recipe. And Polly, who happened to be Mama Two's daughter, said, she gave you her recipe? I mean, everybody was just amazed at this, and I'm going.
Yeah, because that is, you think of that something like a secret.
It's really coveted, yeah.
Right.
People are really protected.
But I didn't think anything of it, and come to find out, it was more like, instead of people hanging around Mama Two while she was cooking, they were more like, I don't know, kind of like, don't bother me with the labor pains, just show me the baby kind of thing.
Yeah.
Right.
So they were all interested in her cooking, but just give me the food. Don't.
You wanted the
you were involved helping her and learning.
Exactly.
That's so cool.
Anyway, so when I found out that I was really the only one that had the recipe, and especially with Mama Two being so benevolent and kind and warm-hearted, it was like, this is a story that needs to go out. So there's a story behind the seasoning as well. Here was a woman that this is in Montgomery, Alabama, during the height of the civil rights movement. She didn't really have any reason to take care of a spoiled white boy, right?
Sure.
But she took me in and just showed me things and was just showered me with love. And
awesome.
So
that is what this whole seasoning is about too, is taking it back, showing people about benevolence and bringing that story back out.
Well, I can tell you this. We tried the original flavors, like Blue Label or whatever you call that, Mama Two's. Last night, made some chicken, put that on the chicken and my veggies. Unbelievable. I'm telling you right now, dude, unbelievable.
Oh, it's so good. Yeah, I did it on a salmon slab the other night, and I just did a rub. Sprinkle, rub. Sprinkles 3 times. You guys, it's better than some restaurants, and I'm not even exaggerating.
It's crazy. And then you have this...
so much flavor. It's incredible. And it's not really salty. That was the other thing we were talking about. It's not crazy salty. So dump on as much as you want.
Yeah, it's not
a salt factor.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's so good.
So now, before we get to this Hawaiian here real quick, where can you buy this?
Well, right now we're working on getting in several places, but Yolks right now in South Richland has it. We're working on all the different Yolks. But our favorite has to be Ranch and Home. Ranch and Home has just been awesome. They were the ones that really kind of kicked it off for us. Dee and Bill over there.
Bill Dress,
the Dress family, they're amazing.
Great.
They give us our prizes that we give away on our Big Boys Toys each week. I mean,
Ranch and Home has just been phenomenal.
Yeah. Nicest people. That's cool.
They're a great local family.
Windy River Meats, they're carrying it as well.
And where is Windy River at?
That is over in Pasco, yes.
Okay.
All right, Mama Two's. By the way, it's MAMA, then TOO''S. Mama Two's. And then you've just brought, I guess is this not out yet? Or
No, this is going to be released at the Fabrio Expo. We got basically 5 weeks, and this is going to be a launch. So you guys...
Hawaiian seasoning.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're getting a new secret squirrel recipe here.
Unbelievable. I'm telling you, you have got... If you want
seriously, we're not kidding.
Amazing flavor, you have got to check this stuff out. It's Mama Two's. It's available at Ranch and Home, Yokes.
Try it. Just try it.
Yokes where?
Well, in South Richmond we should be in all the Yokes pretty soon.
Just try it. You will not regret it. It's really good.
Mickey Hatfield, thank you so much, man.
Thank you, sir.
And look forward to finding more about the story, the background of this, too. Mama Two's. Awesome.
MamaTwo's.com.
All right, MamaTwo's.com. 8:37, good morning.
Morning.